Hello everyone, my name is Danilo, and I'm both a co-worker and a very good friend of Fernando. And long story short, I was born and raised in Brazil, and my parents are both Taiwanese. That's where I get my Asian looks. And I'm currently living here in the United States. And well, the reason I'm sharing you a little bit of my background story is because it relates to a Sumitomo story that I want to tell you about today. Um, at some point in my adult life, I was actually questioning myself quite frequently. What exactly is my identity? Am I Brazilian? Am I Taiwanese? Or am I American? And similarly, Sumitomo has been on this quest to find its global voice, in the past few years. So our team actually got quite a nice opportunity and challenge to discover that and to define it through our global website project. And that really meant 12 websites under the Sumitomo Drive Technologies brand, and really with a unified voice in the market. And before we could do that for Sumitomo, our project team, which consisted of team members all over the world, we really had to find and define our own team voice first. Fernando will attest to it, but there are quite a lot of complexities and challenges when you have, multicultural remote teams. Little things like, hey guys, let's have a meeting to discuss, actually becomes quite challenging, right? Because, aside from the obvious cultural gap, language gap, and even time zones, meaning that if it was 6 in the morning for Fernando, it is 9 p.m. for our colleagues in Japan and China. And well, we tried a lot of different approaches as a team, and really we could summarize it into two key factors that actually helped us quite a bit. The first one is to leverage technological advancement, and the second one is to prioritize human connection. The first one, from a technological advancement point of view, it just meant that we tried a lot of different IT tools that are there so that we, break away from the traditional emailing and losing time zones, but to be more connected, to be more agile, to be more mobile, really so that we can be more efficient. That was number one. But the second one that never goes away is that we have to prioritize the human connection between our team members. So we had a lot of opportunities to meet face to face, made human connections, and that's because, business is personal, and it's this kind of personal relationship that will actually drive productivity up. And, I feel like I just told you things that you guys probably already know about, or it's common sense, but it's something that I strongly believe in. Always follow technological advancement, but never lose sight of the human aspect of everything. This is true, or was true in the past, and will continue to be true in the future as well. And well, back to the question, what exactly was Sumitomo's voice? Well, we found it to be, let's be very proud of our Japanese heritage, but also highlight, all the great things that we are around the globe, just like Fernando does a great job with Latin America and Mexico. And what about myself? Well, so I'm someone with a Taiwanese heritage, and I'm proudly showcasing to you my ties to Brazil and the United States. So thank you, everyone.